Hi guys, today we're going to be doing satisfying slime. So let's get it. Blue!
You got 5 minutes to talk about your car? I think we need to
Blue!
list because so far not one of your items has made it onto my list. Bobby inspected the Mach 1 and found a whole bunch of new problems. Now I have to deliver the news to George. What's the verdict on that? We are confirming you have bad compression check results, and it means your motor needs to be rebuilt. How are you afraid of that? And we have a quorum here, we have a consensus, transmission needs to be done. Okay.
It's tired. None of your bushings, your strut rods, water balls, joints, inner and outer tie rods, none of that stuff's been replaced. I would highly suggest that we go ahead and just do the rebuild that's running down. I need to see, let's put a fresh motor in, fresh transmission, and the transmission is 51,000 miles down the road, it's falling out pretty far.
We've already got your hood and balance panel on order. I'm always about steering, suspension, brakes, chassis. You know, if those aren't good, I don't give a crap how great the car is. It's just a big paperweight. So I want to make your car right before we worry about making it real good.
Now I'm only going to spend one thing to get it right.
Very good. Thanks, George.
Rebuild engine for the Mach 1 just came back from Cos. And since Blake got everything out okay, I'm going to ask him to get everything set up. If he doesn't set it up, I'm going to have him put it in the car, set up the new transmission, and get it running like it's supposed to. No pressure.
It's nerve-wracking because I really want this to go well, but at the same time, this is what I love to do. I love working on engines and getting greasy, and I don't want to go back to washing parts and picking up after Heidi.
We have to completely redesign the steering geometry on the 52 Wave. Before we worry about any geometry or engineering, I gotta hack out 4 years of bad work. Look at that. Oh, snap. Unlike the first shop, we're gonna fabricate most of the structure instead of using hold-on parts. At Penwork, I mostly do mechanical work, but really, I just love building cars. I do. And sometimes I get to do some metal work.
Blue.
The springs are in pretty good shape, but get where it needs to be, it's going to take some time.
Hey, look at that.
It takes effort, it takes practice, and knowing that no one else is going to say it for me, it also takes a fair amount of skill.
Pink crystal slime.
Bobby says that Blake has the rebuilt engine and transmission set up in the Mach 1. It's time to see how he did.
Great.
What the fuck was that?
That's not good, dude. You got dangling on this thing.
I don't have anything dangling there.
I guarantee you, if I go down there and look at that plywood, Portland motor, I heard that Portland motor slap against the plywood.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
That didn't sound good at all. I didn't touch it. That sounded like a crankshaft seizing up.
Huge mistake. Choose Mobil 1 synthetic instead. It protects engines better than conventional motor oil.
Yeah, you would say that wearing the logo.
How about now?
250,000 miles of protection. Upgrade to Mobil 1.
Pink.
That one's nice. I think that's style. Car shopping? Yes. Try Car Gurus. Car Gurus. It's easy to find the cars you like and compare deals. Every car is rated from great deal to overpriced. The best deals are starting first.
Car Gurus gives you dealer reviews too.
Look at that model.
Chase. Go to Car Gurus today to find great deals from top-rated dealers near you.
Burger King Taco. I didn't know they made tacos.
go.